Kobelco has been setting the benchmark in the 13 to 15 ton excavator class with the popular SK135SR for years. In fact, it has been the #1 selling machine in its class in Australia for well over a decade, thanks to its smooth and powerful hydraulics, which provide excellent feel and control along with unbeatable fuel efficiency. The all-new SK135SR-7 is the latest machine in Kobelco's groundbreaking new -7 series of short radius excavators. It's our biggest upgrade yet. Like all machines in the -7 series, the new SK135SR embodies Kobelco's engineering philosophy of performance meets design. This concept means that our engineers have set out to create a new generation of excavators, taking digging performance to the next level. Combined with a modern design, it sets a new standard for operator comfort and safety. Weighing in at around 15 tons, the new SK135SR-7 is manufactured at Kobelco's Heavy Excavator factory in Japan. It delivers unsurpassed quality along with the durability and performance that Australian and New Zealand contractors demand. With an 86 kilowatt engine, the SK135SR is best in class. That's 10% more power compared to the previous model. Bucket breakout force is also increased by 17%, and overall you're going to see 10% improvement in cycle times. The SK135SR-7 meets all of the latest global emission requirements, and it does it without the need for a DPF, which means you have a machine that's future-proof and ready for any job site with reduced maintenance costs. Whether you choose the standard mono boom design or the versatile offset boom, the SK135SR comes standard with factory-installed quick hitch piping, a proportional hand-controlled hammer and auger circuit, and a dedicated pump for the standard tilt-rotate lines. Whatever type of hitch or attachment you need, this machine is ready to work straight from the factory. Swing torque and pushing power are best in class with the new SK135. The standard ROPS and FOPS rated cab also comes standard with the FOPS Level 2, which is hinged for easy serviceability and maintenance. The machine has a rugged X-frame car body with an undercarriage that's been designed to automatically shed material. There's a wide boom foot, which further ensures secure durability of the SK135. Entry and exit to the cab has been designed for safe 3-point ingress and egress. The controls are fully adjustable with independent movement of the control position and the armrest. The Kobelco exclusive INDR system reduces job site noise and protects the cooling package from airborne debris. There's an optional counterweight available for added stability. The air conditioner filter and the fuse panel is easily accessible from behind the operator seat. We designed the machine with better sight lines to improve operator visibility. The Bluetooth radio allows audio streaming. It also allows hands-free control of your mobile phone. The air conditioner features automatic climate control for a comfortable working environment. There's a standard 12-volt outlet for charging your phone. The machine has LED working lights for improved job site visibility at night. LED backlit switches make controls easily accessible even with reduced visibility. As you can see, the all-new SK135SR is faster and more productive than ever, with more power, additional safety features, and the Japanese quality and durability that comes standard with every Kobelco. The cabin also sets a new benchmark for the industry with a premium interior and a high level of finish designed to reduce operator fatigue and improve comfort over long hours behind the controls. If you want to see firsthand why Kobelco is the #1 selling brand in its class, contact one of our local dealers around Australia and New Zealand and ask them for a demonstration of the all-new SK135SR-7 and see how Kobelco is once again redefining the next generation of excavators.